Have you ever wanted to be able to open your garage door from the outside while it was closed, but didn't want to go through the route of hiring someone to then wire everything and make sure you're all good to go and have it take a day or two? Well, today's video, I demonstrate one way that you can actually install a wireless garage door opener, and it'll take you less than an hour. And it's only powered by batteries. Now, this exact product and all the tools that I use for this project will be down below in the description. So let's get started. Go to the side of your garage door that you want to install a keypad. Make a mark about 5 feet from the ground. This is a standard height, but you can play with the height a little bit depending on if you have kids and want them to access it or not. Remove the opener from the packaging. On the back of the opener, there should be a place for a screw at the top and bottom. If so, great. If not, remove a cover exposing where that hole for the screw goes. Make marks on the wall where you're going to drill those holes. Get a bit that has a smaller width than your screw and pre-drill the hole. Now get your screw, fasten it down, but not all the way. I would leave anywhere from an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch gap away from the wall. And then you can take your opener and hook it on that screw. Try to get the opener as snug as possible to the wall. Now slide open the battery compartment on the bottom of the keypad and pre-drill that second hole. Then fasten the screw down and get this one pretty snug also. Now you're going to reference this paper that came with the door opener. Pay attention to the ID column. Get 2 AA batteries, put them in there appropriately, and cover it up. Now you're going to push this program button at the top and the arrow up down button at the same time. Hold it for a few seconds until you see green blinking lights on the program button. Now enter the code that you want to open your garage door and hit the arrow button. Now enter the ID number that's correlated back to that chart that I mentioned earlier and then hit the arrow button. Now go to the garage door opener and find the learn button. Push and hold that until it blinks and then head over to the keypad and push the up down arrow over and over again, pausing in between the pushes until the garage door actually picks up the signal and closes your garage, and let it close all the way. Now this is where you can put in the code that you designated earlier. Put the code in, then push the arrow button. See if it opens. Doesn't work? Do the code again, then push the arrow button. See if it works. Do this over and over and over again until the garage door opens. Once that opens, allow it to open all the way. Go back to the keypad, enter the code again, hit the arrow button, and use it like you normally would. Make sure you test it. Once you're comfortable and know that it works both open and close, now you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, hit that subscribe button right here. Or if you don't want to commit all the way and subscribe, then maybe just give it a like and maybe share with your friends or family. But also if you want to check out other videos that I've completed in the past, click this link right here. Thanks again.